pardon me for this blasphemy, but at times movies and literature, they're like porn. They serve you very unrealistic cuisine, पर जो reality है वो थोड़ी different होती है. Hello everybody, how's it going? तो ये सुन के जितना तुम लोगों को शॉक लगेगा उससे ज्यादा मेरे को लगा मैंने रियलाइज कि मैंने तमाशा नहीं देखी है. आई मीन दिस वन मूवी रिकमेंडेड बाय एवरीवन. यार ऐसा होता है ना कुछ मूवीज जो बस छूट जाती हैं. इट्स नॉट अबाउट द टाइम बट बिकॉज सो मेनी पीपल रिकमेंडेड टू यू फील लाइक इसको सही टाइम में देखना है मेरे को. लाइक आई वांट टू वॉच इट एट द राइट टाइम. आई वांट टू फील इट एंड आई रियली वांट टू एंजॉय इट. पूरा रस लेना है उस मूवी का. So I was waiting for the time and I recently watched it and I have few things to say on that and I'm sure तुम लोगों को भी काम के लगेगी वो. So basically scene ये है कि दीपिका comes to Delhi to meet रणबीर और उसको बहुत दुख पहुंचता है कि वो तो बड़ा ऑर्डिनरी बंदा है, वो तो ट्रिप जैसा है नहीं, वो तो बड़ा सीधा सा बोरिंग लग रहा है. मुझे मिला एक प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर जो बहुत वेल बिहेव्ड है, पोलाइट, डिसेंट. She gets very disheartened. और मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगा ये सोच के. I want to clarify it first of all that it's not about a gender. I'm not saying this because Deepika is the girl. It could have been the other way around as well. I mean, if you meet someone at the work environment, what do you expect the person to be? It's sort of irrational for her to expect कि वो work environment में भी वैसे ही behave करेगा जैसे वो holiday में कर रहा था. I think every place has a code. You go to holiday, you enjoy. That's what you do, right? But when you're working, you're supposed to be a professional. And I don't see any problem with Ranveer's attitude that time.
तो तारा तो मैं हूँ product manager.
जो उसको इतना बुरा लग गया. I want to tell you all that in this era that we're living in, हम सब एक unnecessary burden लेके चल रहे हैं अपने अंदर to be cool all the time. It's just this additional burden that our generation has to look cool all the time, to look happening all the time, to make sure that our Instagram feed looks like we're having fun in our life. But the thing is that it's okay to relax at times. Life actually ऐसी नहीं होती जैसी आपको Instagram में दिखती है. Secondly, I don't know but ऐसा क्यों जरूरी है कि आपको अगर लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल या कूल होना है तो आपको ब्लॉगर ही बनना पड़ेगा, आपको यूट्यूबर ही बनना पड़ेगा, आपको कुछ क्रिएटिव ही करना पड़ेगा. आई मीन यू कुड हैव अ नॉर्मल लाइफ एंड यू कुड स्टिल बी कूल. यू कुड हैव फन and it's absolutely okay. I personally know so many people who are doing regular jobs and they're very happy and they're very excited and they have a good life, trust me. But this perception where we are made to feel that you have to be an artist all the time and then only your life is successful, that's bullshit. और ये एक जबरदस्ती का बर्डन हमारे अंदर डाला जा रहा है which is really ruining lives. I think as a generation we have a problem accepting that we could have dual or multiple personalities. I mean, I could be this guy and on some days I could be this guy. And what's wrong with that? I mean, if someone is genuinely appreciative of me, she or he will be equally appreciative of my shades. Every phase and every situation of life sort of demands a different thing. And that's how you should be. You should be adaptable to different environments. So if Ranbir was working there, he's supposed to be professional. According to me, it's problematic that if your partner sort of completely gets shocked and treats you like that. Deepika was like, you have a different call, you have to be an artist. What if वो अपने काम में actually खुश था, but just because it doesn't seem to be that happening, दूसरों को लगता हो कि वो खुश नहीं है. There are regular people who work like 5-6 days a week, they have a weekend, they enjoy the fuck out of it and they're happy with it. But if your partner somehow just forces you to be something else, I mean मैं मूवी की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, जिंदगी मूवी नहीं होती. At times the partner could be pushing you to be something you're really not, and that's something you should be aware about. It's an important relationship lesson as well, where because of the fact that we are so much into Instagram and the social media in general, that we have unrealistic expectations from people. Where we feel like the correct definition of the right guy or the right girl has to be just like that template. And that is the core reason of why most of us find us at a bad place. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि जो उसमें दिखाया है it's wrong. Not saying that at all. But I'm just trying to give you some other perspective. तो गुस्सा मत होना. जब मैंने वो सीन देखा ना, वो ऐसे अचानक से बस उससे दूर होना चाहती है. It sort of personally affected me because it comes from a personal space as well, to be honest, where I feel like when I meet people in a certain event or through videos, they expect me to be same all the time. They expect me to be the same Amrit all the time. But somehow I realized this fact that people not really ready to take the layers of your personality, which is a natural fact. We all have layers. No person or most of the person, we're not that black and white. We have layers, we have days and we have moods. There are days when you want to dress up, there are days when you don't. There are days when you are extremely funny, there are days when you are just gloomy. And the acceptance of those layers is something which is very important for relationships. And that's what this singing for me is all about. Where people should be accommodative of the layers and the traits that you have. Because you like someone, you like the entire package. You can't just like one entire phase or one entire trait and dislike the rest of them. There are people who are working hard to make sure कि उनके सपने भी पूरे हो रहे हो. And we should be embracing the simplicity and the practicalities of life as well. Because when we have unrealistic expectation, we don't just hurt the other people, we hurt ourselves as well. Just because I'm making videos, I'm telling you my stories, doesn't mean that my stories are more special than yours. I feel like every human being at the very core level, we all are the protagonist, we all are heroes. और सबकी stories movie है और हम सब उसके हीरो. आपके बिल्डिंग के सिक्योरिटी गार्ड हो, कोई रिक्शे वाले हो, if you talk to them, you'll realize that उनकी लाइफ भी बहुत हैपनिंग है उनके तरीके से. We need to start finding those little moments, those nitty-gritties of life, क्योंकि असली खुशियाँ उसमें ही हैं. Pardon me for this blasphemy, but at times movies and literature, they're like porn, where they serve you very unrealistic cuisine, पर जो reality है वो थोड़ी different होती है. So these are the things I really want to share. I'm sure you have your own opinions. Please feel free to share it. And yeah, with this, I'll take a leave. See you next time. See ya.